Got 3 great crayfish here, and what we're going to make today is crayfish rolls with butter. Get these tails off, smoke those in the master built, and we're going to put those into a butter bath, toast some rolls and get some goodness on that and assemble. So let's get started. So we've got these beautiful crayfish here today, and look, just wanted to show you how versatile this master built is, because it's not just big proteins and briskets and ribs. You can do more delicate stuff on it as well, like crayfish. So we're just going to take this crayfish and we're just going to give that a good twist just to get that tail out. We're actually going to make an incision, and down the spine of these we're going to take out the vein. We're going to sit them on top of the shell so we get smoke all the way around that flesh. The next thing we're going to do is rub. So today we're using the rum and Q garlic butter umami. So what I'm going to do, because we've opened the vein, you can see that meat sitting open. So I'm just going to close that meat, and I'm just going to put a single band just about 1/3 of the way down, and what that does is it holds the meat completely together. So we're now going to get these into the smoker at 300. Get those up to about 135, 140 internal. So what we're going to do is just soak these brioche rolls in butter, because we're actually going to put them to warm on the barbecue. Okay, so we're just under 20 minutes into this cook. We're just going to check the temperature on the crayfish tails. 130, 131, 132. So I'm pretty happy with that. So we're going to get those off. And just while we're preparing the crayfish, we're just going to put these rolls on the grill. So tails are ready, so we're just going to remove the elastics and rip those out of the tail. And I'm just going to slice these. What we're going to do is we're going to take that and put it into a hot butter bath. So we're going to leave those there for about 2.5 minutes, let that finish off the cook, and then we'll assemble the rolls. So rolls are nice and warm now, so we're just going to get these back over to the board. All we're going to do is just take this crayfish out of the butter now, so it's quite warm, and we're going to put that into the bowl. A couple of things that we're going to do now, so we're just going to add a little bit more of the garlic butter. We're going to go a little bit of cupine mayo, a bit of lemon for acidity, so we've got a lot of creamy stuff going on there, some parsley in there, and we're going to toss. So that's our filling done, so we'll just assemble, and that's crayfish butter rolls in brioche buns.